tapping into that PD array right there, short term.
Yeah. You think we could go lower from here, you think?
I'm not trading this. I'm only tape reading, but it could use that to head lower. Right to the tick. Only reason I'm not trading that is because we have equal highs above it. Right above it at 4423.75. So when this is not good because you want to see liquidity get taken first, higher, and then you want to see the retracement. That's 5 points right there from mental entry. So awakening, like we were talking about yesterday, when you tape read, this is just one example. You just pretend you were taking real trades. You take a mental entry right there. You grab your R to R tool. At your entry, you put 5-point stop, 5-point target. Hit your target, you journal that, and you journal what PD array you used and why you took it. And it builds your confidence. Yes, sir. So now, if, let's just say you would have taken partials there. So now, where would your next target be? Yup. Yeah, you would set your next partial of 44.10.50 right at sell side liquidity, and you just watch it play out. So you just pretend you move stops to break even. So let's do that right here. You would just move your stop to break even, move your target down to here, and you just watch it play out. And that's 9 points right there. I would want to see it just go straight down right there. And all of this is happening during what time frame? During that 9:50 to 10:10 macro. Remember how we talked about awakening, how typically this is the macro that targets a liquidity pool, either higher or lower, right there. So there we go, we got our 9 points, and you just record that in your journal. So all within the macro, all within time and price right there. So that's how you tape read. And now we wait for Mr. Powell to talk, see what he wants to say. Placement, and it hasn't been tapped into. I'm not going to be entering the trade unless we get up to the consequent encroachment of the wick. It's going to be a tight stop right above the order block. 2.25.
I have a limit sitting at this BISI to target those equal highs.
Yo, yo, what up?
Hey, what's going on?
Yo, what up? How you doing, big dog?
I can't complain. Let's see. Oh, you guys already hopped in. Okay.
Yeah, we just saw a couple things. We got a 15-minute order block, bullish order block reaction right there. I have 8 contracts sitting at this bearish order block because we have this nice displacement lower. So
Not bad.
this could act as some like a little resistance right here. It does
And
look.
then,
Go for it.
yeah, I'm thinking we end up pushing into that 4380s, 4390s.
43.80, 40. Yup. Yeah, cause we got this low right here.
Right there.
Yeah,
That right there.
it might want to target, and we have these relative equal lows right here. So
The
that
only thing is Jerome's talking, or somebody's talking to Fed here, so I'm trying to decide if I want to just wait and take this one or wait until 2 and go from there when everybody shut the hell up for the day.
yeah. If it doesn't go in our favor, it doesn't go in our favor. But
Yeah,
I just like this little displacement leg lower right here.
not bad.
Let's see what we get.
And then we use the gap in 14.
I got filled right there. I'm expecting it to go to the consequent encroachment or the mean threshold of that order block wick.
Okay. Not bad. Which sets you right at 19. Yep.
If it doesn't hold right here, it'll just keep going higher to these equal highs.
Yeah.
Right there. But I'd like to see it react right there, at that red line. Which is what it's doing.
Yeah, that's what it appears to me. Now I would. Now we gotta see what happens with this. It made a slight bullish one on the 1 minute, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that one. That bullish FBG.
Yeah, I see that. I see that.
Yeah, definitely think that's a bad spot.
And now we wait. See what happens.
Yeah, my type of trade.
We created a busy order block on the 2 minute.
And the 5 minute.
Drop us on down into here. Let's see. We can get this move. There we go.
Looks like on the 1 minute we tapped into that bullish fair value gap, that BC.
Yep. Now just to see what happens here.
Let's go ticks. And now we wait.
Yep. The fun part.
It's always fun waiting.
Yeah. But if this one works out, the potential to run into 94 and then 83-ish, 85 somewhere in there looks very likely.
Yeah. I just like the way the displacement after this order block was. That's why I was confident in this one. I'd like this BISI to turn into a CB, like an inverse fair value gap.
Uh-huh.
So if we have a displacement leg lower, I'd like to see some type of like inverse fair value gap form, and then that would support price
Right.
going lower.
Okay. Well, that sounds good.
But that is a
Now
nice,
this
that's a
boost.
healthy reaction right there.
Yeah. And it gives me yep, now it's Call of Duty time for me.
I was thinking of straight up entering at the mean threshold of that wick, but I was like, damn, I'd be getting too greedy. Because ICT says enter where you normally enter, but expect it to get to there. Just don't be greedy. But it's like, but yeah.
Yeah.
But then
And I think
in hindsight, you're like, damn,
that
should
would have
have
been a
entered there.
perfect entry.
Yeah, it would have. Stop right above that wick right there. 3 point stop.
Yep.
I probably would have gotten 5 points by now, but I'm not tripping. Yeah, that's 5 points right there.
Yeah. Oof.
Okay, so
But if it runs the
everything's
way
going to
I
plan
think
right
it'll
here.
run, it'll be alright to miss out on a couple points.
Yeah,
Especially if we get the downside move that I think we're gonna get.
this downside move should be good. So we do have this 5 minute bullish fair value gap now. And this is what I want to become a inverse. But we could just get a reaction off of it. I'd want it to displace lower, disrespect it, come back into it, and then use that as resistance.
Yeah, I can see that. I think we definitely got another date with at least that 0425. At least.
This busy order block that we're about to go into is lined up with OTE, by the way.
Okay. Yeah, I have my buy limit at the low, at the swing low right there, low hanging fruit.
Let's see.
Okay, we got our little reaction.
Yeah, just a little one. Not too concerned about it,
If
at
we,
least for the moment.
yeah, if we do head higher, the wick we created on the 5 minute, I'd want to see the consequent encroachment of that wick to be respected, the same way it was respected on the order block.
Yeah. All right. Come on.
Right there. I would want to see a reject right there.
There we go.
And this is the stressful part because you're like, damn, dude. Like,
Like sometime
because
today.
yeah, because we got a plan, you know. It's like, okay, I want to see a reject here, and then from here we should head lower. But then sometimes price just doesn't want to respect it like that.
Yeah. Mm.
Hold up, I'm gonna grab some water.
Yeah. See, this my once we get in the zones like this, I just gotta cut Call of Duty on and
Yep.
let it run for me while I do this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You just gotta like walk away and let it do its thing.
About to hit a 5 minute Bissy on the dollar.
So dollar up, market down, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Bet.
Which, all right. Mm-hmm. Keep heading down. Okay. Got you. Mm.
We do have perfect equal lows on the dollar
Mm.
right below this 5 minute buy side inefficiency. Could just disrespect this. Not even respect
Come
this.
on. Let it take. Let it take. So I can clean house for the day.
Back. Going to plan so far.
What I was saying, Kiss, was below this Bissy are some equal lows, perfect equal lows on the dollar.
Let me go to the dollar real quick. See what we're on. What time frame?
The 5 minute.
There we go. There we go. Love to see it.
On the 5 minute. Oh, that's ES, man. I'm retarded, bro. Yes, I see that. I see those equal lows. Those were from Tuesday? Yesterday? It's interesting how the dollar and ES are both correlating in the same direction. We got a full rebalance of that fair value gap, and then we got a little push higher.
Nada.
Oh,
There we go.
whoa.
There we go.
What the heck was that? I'm not complaining. So this up candle, not the one we're at right now, but this one right here, I'd want to see this candle we're on right now display slower, so that bullish up candle can become an order block. And that would validate this candle going lower. And that's just a little tip on how to predict order blocks. If this candle is an up close candle and you're expecting a down move, you would want the current candle to display slower below it. So if we return back into it, it uses this as an order block.
Ah, okay. I like that too.
Yeah. So we should have display slower if price wants to go lower.
Okay. Hmm. Let's see how this rolls. No, don't chop around here.
That's what I'm saying. Looks like the dollar is heading towards those equal lows. Very fast.
Team here. Oh yeah. I'm ready to exfil when you guys are. Oh, alright, let's go there. Okay.
It's respecting that.
forward.
It's respecting that order block. I like it. So we got 1 minute until this 5-minute candle closes. I'd want to see a close below the BISI fair value gap. This one right here.
Alright.
Just like that.
Oof.
Nope, not like that. Keep okay. Very interesting scenario we have here.
Yeah.
We reached our equal low target on the dollar. So I'd want to see the dollar reverse here, head higher. Since we've reached drawn liquidity there.
And we're rounding on the 15-minute if we don't start to push back down soon in the next candle or two.
Yeah, I feel that.
I'm liking the Dow strength. Liking the Dow strength.
What do you mean by that?
I just don't see. I don't like. I'm not really going for lower prices here. I feel like because we're in such a deep discount for buying opportunities.
Are you in a long?
No, but I
Oh.
have a limit sitting at that BISI on a block. If it were to,
Oh, so you do want to see lower prices then?
oh, for like, yeah, like 4408. Well, like, yeah.
They got me.
Dollar's just dropping. I feel like it wants these lows now at 102.32.
We tried to be it. We tried.
You exited Stock King?
Nope, I'm still here.
Oh, my
I'm
bad.
still yeah. I'm gonna hold the position just for a little bit. If we get a close over 16.25, then I'll consider closing it. But as far as I'm concerned, I can still see the attack of 4405 4404.25 being the target anyway.
I
Um
like that. Yeah.
yeah, so I'm not going anywhere just yet. I gotta see more than this.
Yeah.
Um
It looks like we did just have on the 1 minute accumulation. We broke the high. Little manipulation right there. A little pop
yeah.
above. Looks like one tick, and we left equal lows.
Damn, lost all my shit. And then, well, not all my shit, but I like the operator. All right. Confirm. See. Edit. Right, and I'll take this with me. All right, now I may get ready to exit.
Are you on the 2 minute, the 1 minute?
I'm on the I have my 1 minute and my 5 minute up. I'm
Mm,
just trying to keep my eye on it.
I see that. Yeah.
It's that rounding that I was noticing on the 15-minute chart that was beginning to look problematic to me. But the fact that we're not closing over that 16.25 is the best sign that I got so far.
Mhm.
Um, but on a trade like this with a stop up there, if I get knocked out, it won't be for much anyway. But if the trade continues to push down, then like I said, I'm targeting not only the 0425, but into the 90s and 80s as well. So just to leave the potential for a huge move. I don't want to just, close it out without seeing an actual close over that 1625.
Right. Yeah, I feel like this is a lot of chop for really no movement. Like, there's gonna be a move soon.
Definitely.
There's a lot of up close candles here. A lot of up close candles.
Yeah.
What I'd like to see is a big down close candle to validate these up close candles.
Even on the 5 minute, I can't say I'm convinced of its strength to the upside still. Yeah, I think this, so hard to tell. Let me go to my 30 minute. We did bounce out of that gap. Eh, need to see some strong red candles soon.
Like that one.
Yep. They need to close.
Yeah, we got 3 minutes until this 5 minute count will close.
So, what up? Yep. I'm gonna definitely just have to set my stop and yeah, yep, Call of Duty time clearly. Because if I keep watching this, I'll end up wanting to jump out.
Yep.
Yeah, matter of fact, yeah, I'll set my stop to 17. No, yeah, 1750, I believe. All right. Hey, Diaz, you want to go back to the complex? All right, yeah, we'll go back to the complex. Okay. Yeah, definitely. We just lost that shit in the complex, so definitely want to go back and get as much as I can. Got you. Got you. Hey guys, I think it's a silver bullet to the upside that could be viewed at here. If you
That
look
five
at,
minute, right?
yep, I'm gonna go ahead and close out. I don't
That's
think I
fair.
like when because that's definitely a market structure shift to the upside that we saw right here, and we pulled back into a fair value gap.
We did pull into the fair value gap, yeah. I do have that marked out.
So yeah, this thing's got some room to get some wings. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close that. This isn't the yeah, well it's fighting with that area. It might, yeah.
That's why I didn't enter. I felt like there wasn't a lot for me personally. There wasn't one model.
Yeah. If any of you guys have a stronghold key, we can use it. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, this one's gonna be a I'm watching it. We did attack sell side liquidity early, so I guess that would leave a buy side to be attacked. Yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna move my stops tighter on this one, so if it knocks me out, cool. But I do see the potential for the upside here. Um,
I feel that. I'm just letting it do its thing. If it knocks me out, it knocks me out. If it doesn't, then then we go to the TP.
Yep. Because my goal today anyway was to only trade the 2 p.m. unless I saw um the chance for more downside. Which I mean, it does look like, or it did look like it had the makings for a lower move. But it's also a news day, so it's no telling what he's saying right now.
Yo. Yeah, it got real choppy right when you started talking.
So I'm okay with just watching for now. And if I get knocked out, I'll just get knocked out for a little bit. I mean, at the end of the day, a trade's just a trade, so you're either right or you're wrong.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. It needs to do something though. This is fucking boring. I
Yeah,
don't know
but
what
I
this
mean,
shit
this is the
is.
type of price action you see on, days like this anyway. That's why I
Yeah.
was like, man, I'm not trading this shit, but
Well. Yep. Did you take a trade? You guys took a trade though, right? Or you took a trade?
yeah, I took one.
Hmm.
But, I mean, right now I'm green 2.5 points, but,
Mm-hmm.
it's, I would rather we see it work out, but where my stops are.
Dollar took sell side.
You said the dollar took sell side liquidity?
Yeah, so
Oh,
it's
then
taken
yeah.
out most
Yes,
of its sell
here we
side.
go. Here we go. Now I can play Call of Duty in peace. This is what I've been waiting on.
There we go. That was 5 points right there.
It was for like the blink of an eye for me, and that shit disappeared. We bounced off of that move so fast. I couldn't have closed that unless I had my um, target down there.
I have my limit sitting at the low hanging fruit, which is the swing low right
Okay,
there.
that ain't bad. Yeah, that 0425.
Oh 04. Just 04.
Okay, not bad. Yep, I'm gonna just let it do its thing.
Yeah, so all those up close candles, like I was saying before, we want to see displacement lower. And then if we retrace, all those up close candles are going to act as an order block now.
Well,
Because
perfect.
the order block theory, institutions are selling as the price is going up.
Damn, that's 6 points, 6.5.
Yeah, right there.
Yep, this might. I'm gonna let it play out for the move, but yeah, this is my type of trading day.
You just let price do its thing.
Yeah, I'm cool with that. Yeah,
Dollar
let them
heading
team
higher.
up. They want
I
to team
like
up.
that. I like the dollars heading higher as we're heading lower here.
Yeah, this works for me.
Now that we got displacement, I'm going to be moving my stop to the swing high right before we dropped. So now my stop is at 3 points instead of 5. 3 point risk instead of 5 point risk now.
Yeah,
Little bearish fair value gap also formed right there on the 5 minute. I would like for that one to be a breakaway gap so we don't tap into that one anymore. We just leave that one unfilled. and we
That would
target
be,
sell side liquidity right here.
yeah. All right, boys. Well, it's been nice chatting with you today. I'm about to get back focused in Call of Duty, so I stop trying to overmanage this shit. But
All
it's
right,
been nice.
all right, big dog. Well, we caught a nice move.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shoot.
Uh,
Still in it. Hopefully it'll keep running for us.
yeah, hopefully, if not, I'll get stopped out. Call it a day. It's whatever. But hey,
Yeah.
yeah, bro, we caught a nice
All right, man.
move. All right, big dog. Well, I'll see you tomorrow then.
For sure. See.
All right, later, brother. Did you take that, Piggy, or Awakening?
Nah, I didn't take anything.
Bet, bet. I took the first one off the order block. Are you still in Awakening? You could have just targeted 5 points, 5 point stop, 5 point take profit. You'd be up right now. No TP at 5 points. Oh, it still hasn't hit TP? I got it. Hey, let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do actually, I saw this on Twitter, is I'm gonna put my buy limit at the consequent encroachment of that wick down here because it can always bounce off of like these longer wicks. So I just remember that was like last minute thing right there, but you don't want to put it at the low. You want to put it at the consequent encroachment of the bottom wick right here. Right there. That was 8.50. 8 points, 8 points, 2 ticks right there. Very beautiful. And that's that breakaway gap I was talking about. You don't want to see it return into that. You want to see price displace lower. Beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. All called out live. Look at that, straight to target. So even though it did hit my 10 points, you always want to take partials at the consequent encroachment right there. So I'm going to be sending this. Oh, thank you, Awakening. And you see how we we took out the low, and now we had a very harsh reversal there. There we go. That was a beautiful order block play right there. We also tapped into that 15-minute order block once again. This time we took liquidity though. So I honestly wouldn't mind it going higher here. Also do keep in mind the main objective though. We got 30 seconds for this 5-minute candle close. I'm going to be calling it a day at the end of this macro. So we're currently in a macro right now. And it's from 10:50 to 11:10. So we have a 5-minute SIBI right here, but we've already taken liquidity here. So short-term internal liquidity has already been taken, and we have internal liquidity higher. So I honestly wouldn't mind it displacing above this SIBI, making it a BISI. Or not. There we go. I want it to close above this SIBI and turn it into an inverse fair value gap. Right there.
Yeah, I took a long, and in 1 minute there's like a little small fair value gap.
This one right here.
Yeah,
Sheesh. Yeah, that reacted nicely off of that one.
I mean, like you said, like
Beautiful.
I felt like it was good as well, just because we took the
Yeah, we
liquidity from the bottom,
100%.
and then also that swing high, right there.
This one?
Nah, by the fair value gap, that's where I entered off of the left one, left. Oh no, down a little up, like the swing high.
Oh, this one?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. I see. My bad. It's too early for this, man. Come on. Alright. Yeah. No, I see what you mean. Yeah. So, on the 5-minute, like let's say that was a beautiful trade. Very well done. On the 5-minute, I'd want to see it come down, respect this inverse fair value gap, and then head higher. And you could target these equal highs up here. Or just 5 points, you know, you don't gotta be targeting that long, but